Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now we're stepping into something powerful, measures. This is where Power BI becomes really smart. So what's the goal of this lesson? Let's say we want to count the total number of employees. What we normally do is go to the staff table and count employee numbers one by one, or count employee names. But that's going to take a lot of time, and it's not practical. So instead, we're going to use a function in Power BI called count. In the fields panel, click on your KPI table. This is where we'll store our measures. Go to the top menu, modeling, new measure. Click it. You'll see a formula bar appear. Now let's do it step by step. We're going to name the function total employee, then type equal sign. Now type count. You'll see multiple count functions appear. Just choose the first one. When you click it, an open parenthesis appears. Now Power BI will suggest tables and columns. You'll see things like job titles, department, staff. We want to count employees from the staff table, so select staff. Now you'll see columns like age, contract ID. We want to count employees, so choose employee number. Now press enter. A measure called total employee has been created, and it counts all employees automatically. Now click on that total employee measure. A visual will appear automatically. Usually it appears as a bar chart. You can resize it, move it anywhere, but we don't want a bar chart, we want a KPI number. So go to the visualization panel, click on card. Now it changes to a clean number. Example 499 total employees. If you want to delete the visual, just press delete in your keyboard. But don't worry, the measure is still saved inside KPI table. If you want to show it again, just tick it again and it will appear. And if you want to delete it permanently, right click on the KPI, then choose delete from model. This is a big step. You're no longer just cleaning data. You're building real analytics. In the next lesson, we'll create more advanced measures and KPIs. Now your dashboard is becoming intelligent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.